Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix my Hero Ultra Rumble game crashing, not launching, not loading, lagging, freezing, black screen or other kind of issues on PC. So let's go through the methods directly. So the first method is to restart your PC as well as Steam. So for that, click on the arrow icon over here. Now right click on Steam option and click on exit. After that, click on power Windows icon, then click on power, then select restart. So this will restart your PC as well as Steam. Now after that, check if the game is launching or not. If not, next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game. Now right click on it, click on properties, then click on install files, and here click on verify integrity of game files. Now after verifying the game files, check if this has resolved the problem. Next is to modify launch option. For that, go to Steam, select your game, right click on it, properties. Now under general, here you have to type -dx11 and then try to launch the game and see if this helps. If not, again come back, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and see if this resolves the problem. If not, next is to update your graphics card. For that, go to the Windows search for device manager. Now expand display adapters, then select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will search if any update is available for your graphics driver, and after updating it, check if the problem is resolved. AMD and NVIDIA users, go through the link that I have already provided in the description, and easily you can update your graphics card and then check if the problem is fixed. Next solution is to run game as administrator. So for that, go to the library section. Now select your game. Now right click on it, click on manage, then click on browse local files. Now here open hero versus game. Now click on binaries Win64 and here is the game application. Right click on it, click on properties, compatibility, and here select run this program as an administrator, then click on apply and OK, and then launch the game and see if this resolves the problem. If not, select run this program in compatibility mode. For select Windows 8 or Windows 7, then hit on apply and OK, and then check if the issue is fixed. If not, again come back and select disable full screen optimizations, then click on apply and OK, and after that try to launch the game and see if you can play it without any kind of issues. Next solution is to allow my Hero Ultra Rumble game through Firewall. For that, go to the Windows search for Windows security. Now click on Firewall and network protection, allow an app through Firewall. Now click on change settings. Now here you have to select for or search for the game if it's listed over here. So you should find the game. Now if it is not listed, don't worry, you have to simply go to allow another app, then click on browse, and after that go to the game folder where your game has been installed, and let's go through the game folder first. Now click on common and here is the game. You have to select the game application and add it to the list over here. So the game has been listed over here. Make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK, and after that launch the game and see if this resolves the problem. Next is to disable in-game overlay. For that, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings. Now click on in-game and here enable the Steam overlay while in game option. If it is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. After that, launch the game and see if this resolves the problem. For GeForce Experience, open GeForce Experience, tap on the gear icon beside username, click on general, switch off in-game overlay options from here. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab, and switch off enable in-game overlay option. Next solution is to close unnecessary background tasks. For that, go to the task manager after searching it in the Windows search, and after that under process tab, here you have to search for the apps that is consuming high resources or is running in the background without any use. Now after selecting them, right click on it and click on end task. So this will completely close the app from your PC, and after that try to play the game and see if this has solved the problem. Next method is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, go through the link I have already provided in the description and paste it in your browser. Now after the website opens, go below. From here you have to download the Visual C++ files. After downloading it, install them, and once you install it, now restart your PC and then log into the game and check if you can play it without any problem. Next is to update Windows. For that, go to the Windows search for check for updates, and here you have to click on check for updates option, and it will search if any update is available. Now after updating your Windows, try to play the game and see if you can play it. Next method is to disable antivirus program or firewall. So for that, go to the Windows search for Windows security. Now click on virus and threat protection, then go below, click on manage settings, and here you have to turn off real-time protection. If it is turned off, well and good. If not, you have to turn off real-time protection from here. Now after that, again go to the Windows search for Windows Defender Firewall. Click on turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off. Now here you have to select turn off Windows Defender Firewall in both private as well as public network settings. Then click on OK, and then try to launch the game and check if this resolves the problem. If not, again come back and again select turn on Windows Defender Firewall in both private and public network settings and click on OK, and then check if the issue is fixed. Next solution is to increase virtual memory. So for that, go to the Windows search for view advanced system settings. Now after it opens, click on settings and click on advanced, then click on change. Now here you have to select the game drive where your game has been installed. After that, select custom size, and here you have to type 12288, and in the maximum size you have to type 24576. After that, click on set, then click on OK, and then try to launch the game and see if you can play it. Next solution is to run game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search for graphics settings. Now after that, here you have to add your game to the list. For that, click on add a desktop app. Now go to the game where your game has been installed, select the game application and add it to the list. Now the game has been added over here. Select the game, and after that click on the arrow icon. Now under GPU preference, you have to select high performance, and after selecting high performance, now try to play the game and see if it helps. If not, then the final method is to reinstall My Hero Ultra Rumble game. For that, go to the Windows search, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, then click on uninstall, and finally click on uninstall option. So after uninstalling the game, restart your PC once. Now after restarting, again launch Steam and reinstall My Hero Ultra Rumble game on your PC. Once the game is installed, click on play button and then check if you can play it without any kind of issues or errors. So these are few solutions to fix crashing, not launching, not loading, not working, or any other kind of issues on My Hero Ultra Rumble game on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.